A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Gathering your materials. Pick a variety of your best artwork to show your artistic ability. You want to show any prospective bosses or customers your very best work, so gather your most polished and highest quality drawings, sketches, and artwork. Choose a variety of different artworks to show your talent and ability across different styles and mediums. For example, if you're really great at sketching with charcoal, choose your best pieces to include in your portfolio, but also include your best watercolor or acrylic paintings as well. Avoid including any unfinished pieces or pieces that you aren't satisfied with. Your portfolio should display art that you're proud of. Take pictures of any tattoos that you've done to include in your portfolio. If you've already tattooed people, including high-quality pictures of your work will show prospective employers and clients your talent and ability. Collect all of the pictures of tattoos that you've completed so you can add them to your portfolio. Ask anybody tattooed to send you photos of the healed tattoo. Oftentimes, tattoos look much better after the skin has fully healed, especially for designs with lots of colors and detail. If you've tattooed people already, reach out to them and ask them to send you some pictures of their tattoos so you can include them in your portfolio. If you don't have their contact information, try looking them up on social media. Create a few flash sheets of different tattoo styles to show your range. A flash sheet is a page of several tattoo designs that people can use to choose a tattoo from. Most tattoo shops need artists that are able to do a variety of different styles, so they are able to serve a wide range of customers. When you're gathering your materials for your portfolio, take some time to whip up a few flash sheets, which are single pages with 4-5 small pieces of art on them. Make flash sheets of different styles to show your versatility as an artist. Make flash sheets of some of the standard tattoo styles, such as American traditional black and white, Japanese style, and lettering, which is essentially calligraphy. Use a single flash sheet to display your ability to do a certain style. For instance, you could have a sheet that includes 4-5 small pieces done in American traditional style, or a sheet with different styles of lettering. Print out any digital designs that you've made, because many tattoo artists will work with customers on coming up with a design on a computer. If you have any digital art that you've created, be sure to include it. Showing your computer and digital art proficiency will make you look like a more valuable asset to any tattoo shops you present your portfolio to for potential employment. Be sure you can explain how you created the digital art, including your original idea and the computer programs you used to create it. Update your resume and print out several copies to hand out. Make sure your resume is current, includes all of your contact information, and fits neatly onto one page. Print out several copies to keep in your portfolio so you can hand them out to potential employers or customers whenever you need them. If you don't have a resume, make one. Keep your resume to one page so it's easier for people to hang onto it. Assembling your portfolio. Choose a portfolio case with clear sheets to hold your artwork. A professional portfolio will make your work look more impressive and legitimate. Choose one with clear sheets so it holds your artwork and is easily visible. Look for professional portfolio cases at art supply stores or search online for one you can order. Make sure you have enough clear pages to hold your artwork. Slide your artwork into the plastic sheets so they are neatly arranged. Open the top of the plastic sheet and gently slide your artwork or pictures into it so there aren't any folds or creases. Insert all of your art and pictures into the sheets so they are neat and tidy. Avoid squeezing multiple pieces into a sheet, or they may get bunched up and wrinkled. Organize the artwork by style so it's easy to flip through them. Keep similar types of artworks together so the portfolio is organized in a way that makes sense. People flipping through your portfolio will be able to navigate it more easily and check out your range and versatility as an artist. For example, keep styles such as American traditional and sketches that you've done together in their own sections. Add your resumes to the back of the portfolio for easy access. In the pocket in the back of your portfolio, slide your stack of printed out resumes so they are neat and out of the way. If you ever need to grab one to hand to somebody, simply flip to the back of your portfolio and grab one. You could also keep one copy of your resume in the very first clear sheet so that's what people first see when they open your portfolio. Display your portfolio in your tattoo parlor if you're already a working artist. If you're making a portfolio to keep in your tattoo shop so customers can flip through it, place it in an easy-to-access location such as on the front counter or in the waiting area. Encourage waiting customers to check out your work and see if there's anything that they like. A professional portfolio makes your work look better and will make people more likely to trust you with their tattoo. Update your portfolio anytime you create a new design or tattoo. Your portfolio reflects your past and current work, so updating it so it's up to date will give people a view of the wide range of work that you've done. Make it a habit to update your portfolio anytime you tattoo somebody or come up with a new design that you like. Snap a picture of a tattoo whenever you finish it and ask people to send you a photo of the tattoo once it's healed. You could even add a section titled something like New Designs so people can flip through your latest work and look at designs that haven't been tattooed on anybody yet. Showcasing your work online. Scan your artwork so you can upload them digitally. Use a scanner to digitally scan all of your best tattoo designs, sketches, and artwork so you can add them to your online portfolio. Save the files onto your computer so you can easily upload them and have a copy saved in case you need it for something else in the future. Try to get the highest quality image possible by making sure the scanner glass is clean and the artwork is completely flush against the surface. You can also use the high-quality camera of a smartphone to snap photos of your artwork, as well as any tattoos that you've actually completed for your portfolio. Aim to showcase at least 15 minutes 20 of your best pieces. Create an Instagram account dedicated to your tattoo work. To be a successful tattoo artist, you need to do more than simply work at a tattoo shop. You need to have customers seek you out, and using social media to broadcast your work is a great way to get people to notice you and build your personal brand. Post regular content and images of your latest work so people get a sense of your style and want to go to you for their tattoos. Instagram has become a big resource for many tattoo artists to showcase their work as well as announce openings and book clients. Other social media sites, such as Tumblr and Pinterest, allow you to post lots of images of your artwork and write blog posts that let people get to know you, which is a great branding tool. If you don't have an Instagram, no worries. You can make one in about 5 minutes. Create a professional website to use as a digital portfolio. A website is a valuable tool for you to use as an online portfolio. Visit a domain name and website host website and make a site with a branded domain URL and a photo gallery that includes images of your artwork as well as any tattoos that you've done. Include a contact form so potential clients or employers can use your website to get in touch with you about doing tattoo work. For instance, your website could be called John Smith Tattoos. And you can include on your resume and social media so people can find your work easily. Include a section for customers to upload photos and testimonials of tattoos that they got from you. Popular website hosting sites include GoDaddy, Squarespace, HostGator, and Google Sites. There are also online portfolio platforms you can use if you don't want to make your own website. Use a contact form to book appointments and answer inquiries. Add a contact form to your website that people can use to ask questions about potential tattoo designs. Link the contact page to your email so you're able to respond to people's questions and schedule appointments. A contact form is a useful tool to give people a way to contact you even when you're busy or otherwise unavailable. Add to your online portfolio often to increase engagement. Update your Instagram and website with new photos of designs and tattoos that you're working on or have already completed. Adding new content regularly will keep your work out there so people are more likely to come across it and potentially book an appointment with you. Anytime you're working on something new, snap some pictures of it so you have content you can use. You can also use content like funny or interesting memes to post to your Instagram so you're updating it regularly.